What? I mean, who's calling me right now? Who the hell? Hello?
Boy.
Who is this? Box cover! Beyonce! Oh my gosh, long time I don't hear from you. How are you?
I'm feeling myself.
Well, good for you. I'm just here lonely, bored, and hungry.
Sucks to be you right now.
Really though? Why you have to do me like that?
Just emotion.
Anyways, Beyonce, so just tell me exactly why you called me, because I know you only hit me up when it is something huge. So spill the beans.
Listen.
Yeah, I'm listening.
My baby's fly, baby girl. Yeah.
Wait there. You mean for tell me say I breed? You are pregnant? What? This should be on BBC, on CNN. Wendy Williams.
Promise not to tell nobody.
Oh gosh, this is just great news. So who else have you told?
I need myself and I.
Yeah, right, Beyonce. I mean, I know you must have told Jay-Z already. But before Kelly and Michelle and your mom Tina, honestly, truly, I'm humbled. So how did this happen though? I know you and Jay-Z had some problems.
Abstain from mirrors. Abstain from sex.
You is no virgin, Mary, so just tell me the truth. What really went down?
Surfboard. Surfboard. Monica Lewinsky all on my gown.
You are nasty. So do you know the sex of the child? If it's a boy, if it's a girl? Any info? Okay, so you're going to give me a clue? Oh, okay. Just tell me.
1 + 1 = 2.
Me box foot! Jeez, peep. I had no idea that your vagina could do that. Jay-Z must have on cloud 9 right now. That, like, how him react to the news? B, you know that you're wrong for that though. Anyway, so have you thought about how you're going to tell Blue Ivy that she's going to be a big sis?
I can have another you in a minute.
You serious? Okay, so hear me out. Don't get mad, but you know the last time that you got pregnant, people were saying that it wasn't natural, that it might have been from another woman. So, you know, it was this like a surrogate type of...
And I don't want no substitute.
Okay, I'm just checking. Don't get mad at me now. Don't go blocking me or sending the Beehive to ruin my career. I've been hearing that you might be performing at the, the Grammys. And you're pregnant, so I'm hoping that you're not planning to do a single ladies routine in heels and dancing and going on a head top.
I can do whatever I want.
Be just relaxed. I'm just looking out for you as a good friend. Jeez. Anyway, I ran into Ciara, I think yesterday? Yeah, I ran into her yesterday and she was asking if you would mind coming to her baby shower next month.
I'd rather be blind, boy.
B? Beyonce? B? Hello? 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 Oh. Well,